Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. As I said in my last video, we are back to creating now. I realized in my last video that I didn't really like the whole little microphone vibe. I don't think that the microphone added anything to the audio. I honestly think that it made the audio sound really muffled. So we're just gonna ditch the tiny microphone, especially since it decided to die mid-video. So yeah, no, we're just gonna ditch the tiny microphone and we're just gonna have the iPhone audio, because for those that don't know, I record on my iPhone. I used to record on my camera, but I couldn't figure out how to work it. So if anybody has this camera, anybody has this Panasonic Lumix camera, this is what it looks like. It has the thing that flips up, which is amazing, right? But it won't stay focused and the lighting is never good. Like it looks very dull, it looks very dark. I always have to put on a whole bunch of extra lights and all that stuff. So if anybody knows how to work this camera, how to tweak the settings or whatever, so that I can go back to using this, please let me know, because I hate filming on my phone. I hate filming on my phone. My phone doesn't even have storage. I hate it.
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on. Perfect.
Anyways, that's not what this video is about. Today, I got an invite to Revolt World, which is a music festival. I guess it's a music festival, but it's more like a music slash influencer slash podcasting festival here in Atlanta every year. It's in 2 weeks, and of course, I got the bright idea to crochet some outfits for Revolt World. It's a 3-day long festival. I think I'll probably only go to 2 of the days, but I'm gonna try to push it and make 3 outfits.
You're a dreamer. You dream a lot in your sleep. No,
I'm not sure if I'll actually get 3 outfits done. I probably won't, but we are going to try. So for what I have in mind, I think I want to make some shorts, a cute little crop top vibe. I think I want the shorts to be knit.
Girl, stop playing with us right now.
Don't kill me, but I think I want the shorts to be knit, but I'm going to crochet the top. So I have some yarn here that I showed you guys in my last video from Katya Yarns. Katya Yarns. I still haven't figured out how to pronounce that since last time. And it's in this cream color. It's a cotton merino wool blend. I don't know why I couldn't get that out. Cotton merino wool blend. And I really want to make some knit shorts with this. And then I have some more skeins of the same cotton merino wool, but in the color, like it's like a salmon pink color, but it has like those cream flecks. So that's why I feel like these two will go nice together. So I want to make the shorts with this color and the top with this color. I'm honestly not sure if I have enough yarn. And the festival is in 2 weeks, as I said. So if I don't have enough yarn, I can't order anymore because the festival is in 2 weeks. But guess what? We're going to try. Why? Because I am clearly insane. I also have this cotton yarn from Katya. I'm going to try to make another top. I'm going to try to make another top using these skeins. I'm pretty sure I have more than enough because these babies are thick. I don't know what I want to do for the third outfit yet. I do have a ton of knitted and crocheted outfits that I've never worn. So I'm probably just going to throw in a knitted outfit that I haven't worn yet. For what I am making, I guess you guys won't get to see it till the end because I can't draw, so I don't know how to draw an example of what I have planned in my brain, but I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial of the items that I make here over on my Patreon. So this will not be a tutorial. This will be like a crochet with me vlog type of vibe. The tutorials will be over on Patreon. So if you haven't signed up to the Patreon yet and you want tutorials and extended cuts of the videos and early access to these YouTube videos and ad-free YouTube videos and so much more, go to the description and you'll find all the information for the Patreon over there. What's crazy is I'm really about to sit here and make these 3 items as if I don't have a whip in this bag and 2 more whips in my whip bin. We don't gotta talk about it. We don't gotta talk about it. So first things first, to start on these outfits, I have to take my measurements because I haven't measured myself in a long time and your girl has gained a bit of weight. Here's my handy dandy measuring tape. Now that that's over, we can get to the fun part and we can actually start to crochet. As I told you guys, the tutorial will be over on Patreon. It will not be here. So if you guys want to see the tutorial for the outfits that I make, head over to Patreon. And while we're talking about it, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and also follow me on my other social media platforms so you can see what I do over there, because the content is different everywhere. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're following me everywhere, because you never know what you're gonna get. So yeah, let's get to crocheting because I'm tired of yapping. Guys, I really desperately need to get a more comfortable chair for my office slash crochet room, because this desk chair, look at that, it don't go back. It don't go back. I don't like that. Like, I have to sit up straight to crochet, which is probably better for my back if I'm gonna be honest, but it's not comfortable. I want to be cozy. I want to kick my feet up. I want to get my cozy blanket and wrap myself in it. Like, this isn't the vibe. This is not the vibe I'm going for. So I have good news and bad news. Mostly bad news for me, but whatever. So I have been working on this thing all day, and I'm realizing that I don't have enough yarn to finish the top that I thought I was gonna make. This was one whole skein.
I'm crying mentally.
One whole skein. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be enough yarn. We're gonna switch over to this cotton yarn and hope and pray that I have enough. So because I spent so long working on this color and getting this done, which was worked with a really small hook, so it took a long time, I didn't get like as much done yesterday as I wanted to, but we did get piece of the front done, and it's literally just a square slash rectangle so far. But this is gonna go here like so, like that. And today I want to get the bust area, the straps, and the back done. And if I do all of that, that just means that I got the whole top done. So let's see. I have faith that I'll be able to get this done, and I'll also be able to start knitting the shorts today. So this is going much better than I thought it would. All right, guys, it's been a few hours and this is what we have so far. The front panel is going very well. I said it's been a few hours, but it's literally been like maybe 1 hour, 1.5. I have my tripod here because I am filming a tutorial as well. Don't forget about that. It's on Patreon. But yeah, this is what we have so far. We're just gonna keep it going because I am determined to finish this top today. All right, guys, as you just saw, I got majority of the front done, and now the only thing left to do is make the straps. But I decided to come outside and take a little break, you know, just sit, be outside, one with nature. Sometimes it's really good to take breaks while you're crocheting. Nobody talks about taking breaks. Like, everybody's like, oh yeah, 6-hour crochet sesh, 12-hour crochet sesh, but like, what about the breaks? Where do you stretch your hands? Like, we have to start taking better care of ourselves. We have to start stretching our hands. We have to just take a minute to look away from what we're doing and, you know, try to avoid getting things like carpal tunnel, because that's not fun either. So yeah, I'm outside just taking a brief break. I'm gonna eat a snack. I'm probably gonna do a little workout too, and then I'm gonna sit and watch Game of Thrones with my boyfriend, and I'm gonna finish this top. I'm gonna finish the top. Why am I so tired all of a sudden? So guys, it is the day after next. I know I said I was gonna get the straps done that day. I know what I said, but I did not.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
I did not. And then I was in the movies yesterday, so I still did not. Well, actually, I got the straps done yesterday, but I didn't record it because I was late and I decided to take a nap. I took a nap and then I was almost late for movie night because I still had to wash my hair in between. A lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff. But nonetheless, we finished the straps. So now all there's left to do is sew the straps down to the sides and make the little corseted back that I want to make, and the top will be finito. I need to like try it on and like see exactly where I want the straps to start and stop. But yeah, I'm just sewing these straps down, making one long strap, strapping it through the back, and this top is gonna be finished. I actually think I'm gonna split this video up a bit here. I think that this video is just gonna be for this top, and then the next video is gonna be for the shorts, just because I feel like this video is getting mad long and I don't want this video to be like crazy long. I think I'm just gonna sew up the top and then I might try it on and show you guys what it looks like, and we will move on to the next part of our outfit. I actually have faith that I'll be able to get everything I want to get done finished. And you know what's crazy? Last year and a little bit of the year before, I couldn't really crochet that much because my wrist kept killing me. I was trying everything. I was wearing compression gloves to sleep, and I think a large part of it had to do with my job as well, because you know I had that rinky-dink job. It required me to type a lot and be at my computer a lot, and you know, using that mouse, and it was just not good on my wrist. So I haven't really been able to crochet for long periods of time. But with my Clover hook, y'all ate. Let's clap it up for Clover. Let's clap it up for Clover. Clover, y'all ate. I thought y'all were BSing me. I thought y'all were BSing me. Every like couple of months, somebody comes out with a hook and it's like, oh, the new hook stops hand pain, because that's a big selling point, you know. But it actually did. It actually did that. Like, for me to be able to finish this top in 2 days, 2 days. I mean, I could have finished it in one if I didn't have so many things to do, but 2 days of just straight crocheting, we gotta clap it up for Clover, because they really did that. They really did that, and I'm really appreciative because my wrist doesn't hurt. So yeah, I will be switching my hooks to Clover hooks because wow, they ate. So we're gonna finish the top. I'm gonna sew up the sides, record that part for my tutorial that's on Patreon that I keep plugging, and then make the back strap, try it on, blase blase, and this video will be finito. And then y'all will have to go to the next part to see the shorts, because I'm really excited about the shorts, but we're gonna talk about that in the next video. All right guys, here we have the finished top. It's a little tiny bit see-through, but if you have on your pasties, you should be fine. But honestly, I think it came out very, very cute. This is the side of the top, this is the back. Please excuse my shorts, I'm gonna go work out after this, but this is the back. Like, it could not get any cuter. This is exactly what I envisioned in my head. I do wish I did more of a neckline, but honestly, this one is just fine. I might pull it up a little bit. I don't know, but I think it came out very, very cute. Very cute. Very flowy too because of the cotton. Not stiff. Very flowy. But yeah, this is the end of this video. If you're watching the tutorial on Patreon, I love you and I hope you enjoy this top. Make sure you get your pasties as well, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it is a tiny bit see-through. And if you're not watching on the Patreon, Don't forget to like and subscribe and to check out the Patreon if you want the tutorial for this top. And stay tuned to the next part where I will be knitting some shorts. And the shorts are actually coming along well because they're right here. So if you want to see how these shorts come out, go to the next video. Binge watch me. It's okay to binge me. It's okay, I promise. All right, bye.